Hello, and today my dog got the swine flu.
No, she doesn't want it.
She doesn't want to, actually. I mean,
It's Nurse Maya preparing for Maya.
Maya, you have to wear that if you don't want the swine flu.
Maya. Sit, pretty girl. Oh, sit. Oh, Maya, how pretty. Like, what are they doing to me? The clients are all around us. Together, we're creating jobs. Pretty girl.
There, now Maya, you won't get the swine flu if you wear that around. You won't get the swine flu.
She looks like a dog.
Calling Dr. Dog.
Was she growling? Oh.
Nurse Maya reporting to duty.
Oh, look at her now.
Take it off, please. Stop laughing.
Ain't that funny?